Namaskar and Adab. Hello everyone. Here I am talk to about my project. I named this project Smart Travel Guide. It's one kind of travel guide system. I make this project using C programming language. Here I describe my project shortly. Let's take a look. This is the welcome page. Press enter to process. So I press enter. Loading. This is the main system, and first of all, one is admin, two user, E for exit. Press mean the choice. If I press 1, it's mean I am a admin, and when I press 2, it's mean I am a user. First of all, I want say that why I done this project. Nowadays people are very interested to travel, and the purpose of this project is to guide people about traveling and tourism. This system is mainly about to smart guide. One on the system, people guide about smartly how to safe and comfortably travel. It's mainly for foreigner and also people of Bangladeshis. This system provide many tourism, tourist and picnic spots. With the spot, this system provide user near around everything like hospital, police station and location. Sometimes foreigner tourists fall bad people and also our country who didn't know many travel places, and possibly so that's why possibly to fall danger their life. By using my system they can easily find required place and around everything also. But if someone search on internet some like something place, they most has and also confusion for seeing many type of information. On my system only search by name of place, user can find all information around the place like location, hotels, hospital, and for security and safety they can get police station information also. uh, at first I want to mm, go user like user. So I press 2. Here is the welcome user, and 1 for login and 2 for register. Enter your choice. I press 2. I am new user, so I press 2. First name uh, is a uh, register form, and enter the first name. My first name is Laksman, Laxman, and second Gope, Gope, and username Laxman, Laksman, and password. And the password I give a password 1 2 3 4. It's a hidden with star, but actually it's 1 2 3 4. And here is a message: press enter if you agree with username and password. So I agree with username and password, so I press enter. It's loading. You are successfully registered. Try login your account. Press 1 for yes and press 2 for no. I press 1 for yes. Loading. Welcome to login zone. So firstly username, so my username was Laxman, and my password is 1 2 3 4. It's loading. So here is a message: you have logged in successfully, welcome, have a nice day. Press any key to continue. So I press any key to continue. Here is the main user zone: 1 for bookmark, 2 for beaches site, and 3 for archaeological site, and 4 for forest and jungle, 5 hills and island, 6 historical places, 7 religious places, and 8 others, 9 for main system, and 0 for exit pressed. So at first I want to go bookmark. Actually bookmark is a web browser feature used to save a URL address for future reference. Bookmarks save user and browser time, which is especially useful for web pages with long URLs. But in my project, I use bookmark for if any tourist make an advanced plan, like if I go Bangladesh, at first I will go to Coxsbazar or Saint Martin or any other place. Then the traveler can save the place on bookmark. So that was my uh, I use this bookmark. At first I want for bookmark. Here is the bookmark zone, and this is the your bookmark San Martin, and this is the actually advanced planning for. Now here is the another search. I search search another. I want to search Paharpur, P-H-A-R-P-U-R, Paharpur. I want to bookmark this place. I press enter for details. Oh, here place name Paharpur, location is Sampur, and available hotels here, and available hospital, available police station for safety. And then here is the message: bookmark this place. Y or N. Y mean yes and N mean no. Before back. At first I want to bookmark this place, so I press Y. So I press Y. Now before back. Uh, then beaches. 2 is beaches site. I press 2 for beaches zone. Here is the name Saint Martin and Coxsbazar, and all about the Saint Martin location, available hospital, hotels, and police station. In Coxsbazar's available hotels, hospitals, and police station. I beg, I press B for back. Back means user zone. I have user zone. Then archaeological sites. I press 3 for see archaeological sites. Here is the Shahid Gambuz Masjid and all information about Shahid Gambuz Masjid, location and hotels, hospital, police station, and Paharpur. Paharpur's all information like location, hotels, hospital, and police station. I press B for back, and I press 4 for forest and jungle. This is the forest zone, Rangamati and Sundarban, and also available all information around Rangamati and Sundarbans. I press B for back, and number 5 is hills and island, and I press 5 for hills and island. Has the Sonadia Island and Maheshkali Island, and also available is Maheshkali Island and Island all information here. I press B for back, and 6 is historical places. I press 6 for see historical places. Bangladesh National Museum, Lalbagh Port. This is the historical places. I press B for back, and number 7 is religious places. Uh, I press 7 for religious places. This is the religious places like Shahid Gambuz Masjid and Dakeshwari Temple. All information here is available. I press B for back, and 8 is others. Others mean other places in Bangladesh. I press 8 for see other places. This is the other zone, other zones, and here is the Madhab Kundo, and also available is Paharpur other zone. I press back, I want to back, so press B, and 9 is main system and 0 is exist. Actually all sites I took some information, uh, but in future I will gather more information in my project. So I if I want to go main system, I will press 9. Actually this is all about user June. So now I press 9 for main system. I press 9, and now uh, I will go as admin. So I press 1 for admin admin. This is the login zone for admin. User ID, actually as admin user ID and password is set as the project code. So admin user ID is admin admin 1 2 admin, and admin password I press 1 2 3 4, and this is actually saved on code. So I press successfully login, press any key to continue. So I press any key for continue. This is the actually user admin zone. This is main feature of admin. So admin can search, admin can do everything on this system. So for at first one is search and two is see last update. So here admin can see his last update, and 3 add places. Here admin can add all places if you want. 4 is update, 3 is 5 is delete, and 6 user zone admin can check user zone, and 7 is check popularity. Actually check popularity, this is the main feature of my project. Admin can see how popularity his system, and 8 is main system, 0 is exist. At first I go to 1 for search a place. 1 I press 1, search by name is a search zone. So search by name I press Paharpur, Paharpur. Actually this is the all actually Paharpur. Admin uh, can easily find everything of his system, and for shortly he or she admin can search a place for update this place or delete like this. And here is the add, 1 for add places and 2 for add update mode, 0 is exit, B for back. So I press B for back, and 2 is last update. Here admin can see the last update, what admin did last time. So I press 2 for see the last update. I press 2. Here is the um, all updated list. The admin uh, did edit these places and update those all places, update this all places. And this is the 1 is add place, 2 for add more, 0 for exit, B for back. This is the actually here is a comfortable use. If admin can add places, admin here can, and I press B for back, press B for back. 3 is add places, I press 3 for add places, I press 3. um, I want to here is the place zone, enter place name. I want to add Coxo Bazar, yes, Coxo Bazar, and enter location. Coxo Bazar location actually maybe 150 kilometer from Dhaka. I'm not sure, maybe. So I take input this information, and available hotels. So I input available hotels. Available hotel is hotel Oster, and hotel sorry H, and hotel Marine. uh, I input just two famous hotels for just see how available hotels and available hospital. Yeah, and one hospital I know, that is Hope Hospital, a hospital whose Hope Hospital, and then inter-available police station. Uh, and here is a police station is available. Many other police station available. I just input one police station, that is tourist, tourist, tourist police station. Police station, and and here is a message: add 2, 1 for beaches, 2 for archaeological sites, 3 for forest and jungle, 4 for hills and island, 5 for historical place, 6 for religious, 7 for others. And this is which type this place. This is the beaches type place, so I press 1 for add to beaches, add more. And here is a one more one message: add more, press Y or no. Y mean yes and no, N for no, I press no. And this press B for back, I press B for back. And 4 is update. Here if admin can update any place information, so I press 4 for update. And this is the update zone, and here is the message: enter the place name to modify. I press Coxsbazar, and this is the Coxsbazar information. And here what you want to update: place name, location, hotels, hospitals, or police station, or all. So uh, I press 2 for location. So in here enter location. I will input the location like 93 miles from 93 miles from Dhaka. Yeah. Modify another record: Y or N. Y mean yes, N mean no. So I press N for no, so, and B for back. I press B. Now I want to see actually this update or no. I press 2 for see last update. I press 2. Here Coxsbazar, here is the 93 meter from Dhaka. Yes, this is updated. So I press B for back. 5 is delete. If admin want to delete a information or any place, admin do here. So I press B for I press 5 for delete. Enter place for delete. This is the admin delete zone. So enter place name for delete. I place name Coxsbazar. I entered Coxsbazar. Here is the message: delete successfully, and back. I press B for back. I want to see the actually the place is deleted or not. I press 2 see last update. I press 2, yeah, and Paharpur, yes, the Coxsbazar deleted. I press B for back, and this is 6 number is check user zone. Admin can see how user see the system, and actually how it is work or not. So I press 6 for see the user zone. This is the actually user zone. Welcome to user is message, and all functions is user. I press B for back. And 7 is check popularity. Here admin can check the system popularity, how system uh, going popular day by day, and as admin can see how many users are of this system, and how many users login in a time in this function. I press 7 for check popularity. Oh, here is the user list, username list. One is Pradut and two is Laxman. And here is the login date and time. Login date and time. This is the login date and this is the time. This is the international time. In that time, one user login. So one, and here also one user login in that time, one user login. And here is the total count. So total user 2 and total login 4. Yeah, one user, so 1 2 3 4. Yeah, and total login 4. This is the popularity zone and all about this popular, and this is the main feature of my system. And then I press B for back, and 8 is main system, 0 is exist. I press 8 for main system, and that's all about actually my project. And uh, I made this project using C language. I do all thing in of this project by C language. For the time being, that's all. Thank everyone for patiently hearing me and see this project. Thank you again. I press E for exist, and I press E for exist. So I press E.